Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. After a month of waiting, my folding bike has finally arrived. This is the Cranston D10, a 20-inch folding bike in charcoal gray. And ever since I ordered it, I've been looking forward to finally seeing it in person and taking it out for a proper ride around the city. Today's video will be an unboxing, setup, detailed walkthrough of the bike, and my first ride experience using it on the bike lane, folding it up, and even bringing it inside a mall and elevator to see how practical it really is for daily urban riding. So first, let's open the box. The bike arrived in excellent condition. The box itself had no major damage, which is always reassuring when ordering bikes online. As soon as I opened it, I noticed that the bike was packed securely. Different sections of the frame were wrapped with styrofoam protection, and several zip ties were used to keep everything from moving during shipping. Quick tip for those unboxing bikes for the first time: instead of cutting the zip ties immediately, you can actually release and reuse them using a Swiss Army knife or any small pointed tool. It saves the ties and keeps them useful later for organizing cables or bike accessories. Inside the box, Cranston included several accessories and tools. There was a manual, a bell, wrenches, a bike lock, a multi-tool, and the quick-release pedals. The first thing I installed were the pedals. After inflating the tires and setting everything up, I finally got a full look at the bike. The charcoal gray finish looks clean and refined in person. It has a simple and mature appearance that suits a commuter or urban bike really well. Nothing overly flashy, just a clean design that looks modern without trying too hard. Now let's go through the bike in detail because there are a lot of small things on this folding bike that stood out to me. Starting with the frame, the Cranston D10 uses a chromoly steel frame and fork. One of the reasons I became interested in this bike was because of the steel construction. Steel frames have a certain ride feel that many riders still appreciate even today. Looking closely at the frame, the welds are actually pretty clean. The welding around the joints and hinge areas look neat and evenly done. On folding bikes, weld quality matters a lot because these bikes naturally experience stress around the folding sections. The welds on the D10 give a reassuring impression and don't look rushed or messy. Now let's talk about the hinges because this is one of the most important parts of any folding bike. The main frame hinge feels solid and secure when locked. Once closed, there is a minimal flex while riding. The locking mechanism itself feels sturdy and easy to operate. It doesn't require excessive force, but at the same time it feels tight enough to inspire confidence on the road. The handlebar setup feels comfortable for city riding, for casual rides, bike commuting, urban exploration, and even short weekend adventures. The cockpit feels natural and relaxed. The grips also feel decent in the hands and match the overall practical character of the bike. Moving down to the wheels, Cranston uses one of the best folding bike tires in the world. The Continental 20-inch by 2.0 contact urban tires. For me, 20-inch wheels are the sweet spot for folding bikes. Small enough to remain compact when folded, but large enough to maintain stability and comfort during rides. The wider 2.0 tires help absorb road vibration and provide additional grip. Riding over painted bike lanes, rough asphalt, and uneven pavement feels more controlled compared to thinner tires. The braking system is another strong point of this bike. The D10 uses Zoom hydraulic disc brakes, and the braking performance immediately feels better compared to basic mechanical brakes commonly found on entry-level folding bikes. Brake lever feel is light and smooth, while stopping power feels controlled and predictable. In city traffic, especially in crowded areas where sudden stops happen often, good brakes make a huge difference in rider confidence. The rotors also look pretty aligned out of the box, which is always nice to see on a newly assembled bike. One thing I really appreciate on the Cranston D10 is the inclusion of the easy wheels and the suspension block. The easy wheels may look like a small detail at first, but they become extremely useful once the bike is folded. Instead of awkwardly carrying the entire weight of the bike, you can simply roll it beside you inside malls, convenience stores, train stations, elevators, or office hallways. On my first ride experience, this became one of the most practical features of the bike. As for the suspension block, it adds comfort and helps absorb vibrations coming from rough roads, uneven pavement, and expansion joints. Since the Cranston D10 uses a compact folding frame with smaller wheels, road feedback can feel harsher compared to full-size bikes. The suspension block helps reduce that stiff feeling from the rear end and gives the bike a more planted ride quality. The Cranston D10 uses a Shimano Sora derailleur paired with an 11 to 28T cassette and a Light Pro 53T crankset. The Shimano Sora setup delivers smooth, precise, and consistent shifting, especially during stop-and-go city riding. With the 53T crankset, the bike gains a faster top-end speed and feels more efficient on flat roads. The 11 to 28T cassette gives a balanced gear range that still handles mild climbs. The stock saddle is surprisingly decent for casual riding. It has enough padding for comfort without feeling overly soft. During my first ride around the city, it remained comfortable even after spending a longer time in the saddle. Of course, saddles are always personal preference, but for a stock setup, this one feels usable right away without immediately needing replacement. The side stand is simple but practical for everyday use. It holds the bike securely on flat surfaces and makes quick stops, especially during errands or short breaks, more convenient. The stability is decent, though it's best used on even ground since it can feel less steady on soft or sloped surfaces. Now let's finally talk about the actual ride experience. After checking everything and making sure the tire pressure was good, I took the bike out to the bike lane for its first ride. The first thing I noticed was the smooth ride quality. The steel frame, suspension block, and wider tires work together nicely to reduce road harshness. Another thing that stood out was the stability. Some folding bikes can feel twitchy or nervous at higher speeds, but the Cranston D10 felt planted and balanced. The 20-inch wheels helped the bike maintain confidence while still feeling nimble in tighter sections of the bike lane. Then I decided to test one of the biggest advantages of owning a folding bike. I headed toward the mall. Before entering, I folded the bike outside. After a few tries earlier at home, the folding process already felt familiar. Once folded, the bike became compact enough to carry and maneuver indoors comfortably. I walked toward the entrance and immediately noticed how much easier folding bikes are to manage in public spaces compared to regular bikes. Instead of dealing with full-sized bicycle, it almost felt like carrying a compact luggage. Then I entered the elevator with the bike. This is where folding bikes really make sense in urban environments. Inside the elevator, the folded D10 fit comfortably without becoming awkward or taking excessive space. If this had been a full-size bike, the experience would have been completely different. That combination of portability and ride quality is what makes folding bikes appealing for daily city life. You can ride through traffic, fold the bike in seconds, enter buildings, use elevators, and continue your day without worrying about bike parking outside. After spending time with the Cranston D10, I can say that it feels thoughtfully designed for urban riding. The steel frame quality, clean welds, sturdy hinges, smooth folding mechanism, hydraulic disc brakes, suspension block, and practical wheel setup all come together nicely. It's a bike that feels comfortable, practical, and easy to live with. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this unboxing and first ride review of the Cranston D10 folding bike, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you on the next ride.